Hi, good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine at home. Enjoy your work very well. Good day to you. Today we are going to start another topic in fraction, multiplication of fractions. It means if you are going to multiply two fractions, what you will do? You multiply the numerator and denominator respectively and write the answer in the simplest form. After multiplication, you have to write the answer in the simplest form. In this form, suppose I have a question. I have two fractions 4 by 3 and 6 by 7. When you are going to multiply these two fractions, first you have to multiply numerator with numerator, 4 into 6, and denominator into denominator, 7 into 6. 4 into 6 gives you 24 and 7 into 3 gives you 21. Now next step is how you write this in the simplest form. Simplest form means if there is any number common is there, you have to write in the lowest form. If there is any number common is there, then you write this in the mixed form. Like here, if I check 24 and 21, if I go with the HCF of these two numbers like this, 24, 21, then 21, then it is 3, and here 21, 3 sevens are 21. It means 3 is common between these two numbers. Okay, so that means both are divisible by 3 and HCF is 24 and 21 is 3. Then if HCF of 24 and 21 is equal to 3. Now you have to divide both numerator and denominator with 3. 24 divided by 3 and 21 divided by 3 is equal to 8 by 7. Yes, that gives you 8 by 7. Still, that is the improper fraction. That is 8 by 7. 3 8s are 24 and 3 7s are 21. Now next step is how you write this in the mixed form. When you're going to write in the mixed form, you divide 8 by 7. 7 ones are 7. That gives you remainder 1. So this quotient should be written here. Remainder should be in the numerator and divisor should be in the denominator. So that is the mixed form of this improper fraction. You have already studied about what are proper fraction and what are improper fraction. Improper fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator, and proper fraction as those fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. So when you multiply whole number with the proper fraction, so that number is in the form of mixed fraction. We consider that number is in the form of mixed fraction. So that is the case of the multiplication. So I have another way. If you don't want to go with this HCF, you can check here also. Is there any number is divisible by any with the numerator? Like same question I have, 4 by 3 into 6 by 7. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. If multiply is there between that, you can check the divisibility of numerator and denominator with the common number. Like 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Here also after that I got the number 4 by 1, then 2 by 7. Now you multiply 4 into 2 by 7, that is 8 by 7. Same, after getting improper fraction, convert into mixed fraction, 1 into 1 by 7. So there are the two ways to solving the question. Either you multiply first numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, get the answer. If any number is common is there, by finding the HCF, then divide numerator denominator with that number. So that gives you another improper fraction or proper fraction. If still you get the improper fraction, Convert into mixed fraction by dividing. Write quotient, multiply with remainder as numerator and divisor as in denominator. So this is a simple fraction. But what happens if we have given a mixed fraction? Like I have another question, 1 into 5 by 6 into 4 into 1 by 2. How I solve this type of question? If I have this mixed fraction is there, so what you do? First you convert into this proper fraction. So how will you convert? From here to here you have to multiply, and here you have to add. These two numbers have you add. So what you do? 6 multiplied by 1 plus 5 should be written in the numerator, and denominator whatever is it, write as it is. Then multiply sign between that. Which sign is there available, you have to write down same as it is. Now similarly, same position with here. These two numbers multiply with each other and these two numbers add with each other. So here 4 into 2 plus 1, and denominator will not be changed. Denominator should be right as it is. Like here 6 into 1, 6 plus 5 by 6 into 8 plus 1 by 2. That gives you 9 by 2. So that is 11 by 6 into 9 by 2. Same condition occurs. Either you can cancel, like here 6 and 9 both comes in 3 table. Either you can cancel or directly multiply with numerator, denominator with denominator. That gives you 99 by 12. After that you can find the HCF. Like if I check with the HCF of 99 and 12 is 3. Both come in 3 table. Like here when you divide 99 by 12, but first is goes on like 6 table, and we can check with the 7 table also and 8 table also. No, 8 will be bigger. We check with the 8. So that gives me 96. Then that gives me 3 as a result. Then 3 4s are 12. So this HCF gives me 3. Means HCF of 99 and 12 is 3. Now you divide both numerator denominator with 3. So that gives you 33 by 4. Okay. Still 33 by 4 in improper fraction. No common factor between that. So that is the lowest form. Now you have to write in the mixed form. 4 8s are 32. 1 is the remainder. So how you write? Quotient should be written here. Remainder upon divisor. Whole number is 8 and 1 by 4 is the fraction of that. So that gives me the answer 8 into 1 by 4. Instead of doing this process, I have another method. I can cancel here directly. 11 by 6 into 9 by 2. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So that gives me 11 into 3 by 4. That is 33 by 4. Same as it here. After that you divide. That gives you 8 by 4. This way you can do with two ways. Either you can cancel or either you can multiply numerator with denominator first and denominator with denominator first. After that check with the common factor by finding the highest common factor between the two numbers. If highest common factor between the two numbers is 1, that means already that number in the simplest form. After that, if it is an improper fraction, you write in the mixed fraction this way. So that is for today for product of fractions, either simple fractions or mixed fraction. Another form is also there. If I have another OR operator, fraction as an OR operator, fraction as an OR operator. So what is the meaning of this OR operator? Of operator means multiply. You are going to multiply the two numbers. If I have a question like that, 2 by 3 of 27, if it is written, this of means multiply. When you convert this of, that gives you 23 multiplied by 27, and in denominator, if there is no denominator is written, you consider that denominator is 1. Same case is there. Either you can multiply directly with numerator, like here, if you multiply 2 into 27 by 3, that gives you 54 by 3. Now here we can check, is 54 is divisible by 3? Yes. If you divide this one both by 3, like 54 divided by 3, 3 divided by 3, that gives you 18 by 1. And another case is also, if you want to go with the cancellation, like here, 2 by 3 into 27, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So 2 into 9 gives you 18. So that is the another way. One more question in this regard, if it is written 4 by 7 of a week. Now if it is written in the word form, you have to convert. If week is there, it means that means 7 days within that. What is the numerical quantity between that? So 4 by 7 of 7 days. We convert week into numeric quantity. Now here it means now we have to find 4 by 7 of 7 days. Of convert into multiply days. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, and what is left? 4 days. Hope you enjoy today's multiplication of fractions, and do your assignment well. Little bit word problems is also there, that was left for the last lecture. So you can, hope you can very well continue with that. Thank you. Have a nice day.